So what's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So this is the encyclopedia of the sandwich. I was looking to start a business, a restaurant business. I was not interested in pizza. I wanna start a restaurant business with minimum equipment, with minimum require of the equipment, with minimum maintenance. I want something to some kind of restaurant where I want like really very low kitchen utensil or something like that. So the best thing was kitchen. The best thing was sandwich. You don't need a lot of stuff other than grill or some kind of like toasting the sandwich. I say I'm gonna follow the Subway model. So this is the Encyclopedia of Sandwich written by the Susan Russo. Susan Russo, amazing, and a lot of people are going to underlook the name, the photograph Matt. This guy is so amazing, Matt Armendariz, because he took the photograph of like mouth watering. This book is a must read for every sandwich guy, every person, everyone who run a bread and breakfast and bed and breakfast yeah, excuse me, bed and breakfast business, and you are thinking to any sandwich business, this book is a must read. I enjoyed this book a lot. I will be throwing the link in the description box below. Simple peanut jelly sandwich. Oh, peanut jelly sandwich. Oh, I love this one. I'm mouth watering. My bread is finished. I need to buy a new fresh loaf of bread tomorrow. Also, my strawberry jam is finished because nowadays I'm using the orange jam. I need to have strawberry jam. I have peanut butter. Like left in my refrigerator. But I'm just feeling hungry. Okay. So let me read from my dad, who probably told every single person in the Rhode Island about this book. Rhode Island located in USA. From my mom, from my husband, who happily tested husband. Husband is a very good thing. I mean, who has eaten everything in this book. What a lucky husband! What a lucky husband! To be honest with you, what a happy family. To be honest with you, enjoy every sandwich. Come on. I mean, so yeah. So my goal was to give my honest opinion. Again, I'm going to go on honest opinion, but I'm going to nearly try to show the as much sandwich as you can. Look at this image. I mean, this image is like mind blowing. Talk by the Matt. I think there's some stupid reflection happening on the screen. Yeah, I think I need to use like a better camera next time. Okay, I need to put like this. So yeah, I think like this will be better. Don't wanna show you the reflection. The page is glossy, that's why. I mean, there's so many things it covered in the book, as you can see. Baked bean sandwich. I have baked bean, but I have no bread of loaf. I need to buy tomorrow because the bakery is closed. Okay, banana sandwich. I mean, literally, there's too much. I mean, too many good things, to be honest with you. I mean, wow. I mean, this muffin sandwich, hot dog. Hot dog is also a sandwich. A lot of people don't know that. Breakfast biscuit sandwich. I loved it. I mean, it remind me of the British Western breakfast which I have. I mean, in a local restaurant here. Chicken salad sandwich. Wow, I'm feeling hungry. Literally, I am feeling hungry. Oh, chopped liver sandwich. Oh ho ho. I mean, the muffin. Okay, before it was the biscuit sandwich. Now this is the muffin. I think the best muffin sandwich you can buy as cheap as you can from fast food is from McDonald's. Croissant sandwich, I love it from the Burger King and KFC. Personally, I like Burger King more. Croissant sandwich. So yeah, I mean, this book is literally amazing. As you can see, so much good thing in this book. I mean, you are going to love this book. I mean, you literally are going to love this book. There is absolutely no doubt about this book. I mean, so many good things about this book. You are going to enjoy it. I mean, there's so many sandwiches. I mean, I'm just trying to like skim, I mean, like fastly as I can. Okay, I mean, so many good things it will cover. The images are beautiful. I mean, this should be like a reference. Okay, I think I need to. Okay, what is this one? This is chicken tikka sandwich. Okay, wow, this thing is literally amazing. So yeah, it was me. I highly recommend. 9 out of 10. Why I'm ranking? Normally if there was multiple books written, maybe I will give it 7 out of 10. 7 is the highest score maybe, but sadly there's like few. It's hardly even 1 dozen books are available on this sandwich. It's hardly to find like even 5 books on Amazon. Just grab this book. I read nearly every book available on the Amazon for the sandwich, on eBay, even some old copies. I love this book. Read this book. So it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and buy the link in the description box.